Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down and find additional settings. Here we have to tap on accessibility and tap on the vision. As you can see, on the second position we've got the talkback, so let's tap on it. And before we will turn it on just by tapping on this switcher, let's enter the settings, because here we can actually customize this mode. And as you can see, we've got some options which we can customize. So we can, for example, decide if we want to speak the passwords. We can turn on or off the cover proximity sensor to stop speech, and so on and so on. What's more, we can customize the gesture. So after tapping here, you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up then down, up then left, and so on and so on. Just tap on it, and you can decide that, for example, after swiping right then up, you will focus on the first item on the screen. So I highly recommend to stay here and have fun with this section, because thanks to this you can actually personalize the talkback mode and make it much easier for you. So let me get back right now. And let's turn on the talkback just by tapping on the switcher, as I said. Right now your device is telling you that the service will perform these actions, and they have to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So simply tap on allow. And as you can hear, the talkback is on, so from now on you will be able to hear the feedback from your device. Let me volume it down a little bit. So actually, if you will turn the talkback mode for the very first time, then your device will open the tutorial just like here. But if for some reason something happened and your device automatically turned on the talkback mode and you have no idea what to do, then that's why I will show you the shortcut of the tutorial, so the basic navigation, so you will be able to still navigate and use your device. So first of all, let's focus on how to enter something, for example, how to enter the app, or how to choose something like back button or home button. So because you can do it the same way, all you have to do is simply tap. You'll see a green frame around the thing that you want to use. Obviously you will hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to activate. And as you can see, we just got back to the talkback menu. So let me do it again in order to get back to the general settings, and here we are. So here I can show you how to swipe, and it's quite easy. You have to do it using 2 fingers like that. So as I said, it's quite easy and quite comfortable, I would say. Of course you can try to swipe this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So okay, so actually here we've got the basics of the navigation, and right now let me just turn it off. So let's tap on additional settings, double tap, tap on the accessibility, double tap, tap on the vision, double tap, talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on stop, and double tap. And the talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the talkback mode in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.